Zomato stock price analysis in under 60 seconds. Let's start. Zomato is currently trading at 260 rupees, which is down by 5% from its previous trading session. Zomato is facing a strong resistance at 297 rupees, which is at all-time high. Zomato is going to have a strong support at rupees 243, which is also its support on the date of 22nd August 2024. Thus, Zomato is trading between the range of 297 rupees and 243 rupees, with 297 being as a strong resistance and 243 being a strong support. This can be used for range-bound trading. The 20-day moving average crossed the 50-day moving average above it and thus indicating an bullish outturn on 1st July 2024. But recently, the 20-day moving average is closing towards 50-day moving average, turning out to be a bearish outlook. The current RSI is at 39.35, which is inching closer towards 30, which is an oversold zone. Thus, wait to buy for a good opportunity and make a good entry. Thus, on a short-term basis, the current support and the current targeted price of Zomato will be at 240 rupees. That is a quick outlook on Zomato stock. Are you bullish or are you bearish on Zomato stock? Please comment and do subscribe this channel for more news.